Here's how to fix unable to remove payment method because there's an active subscription on your iPhone. Now, if you're trying to remove the current card on file, but it's not letting you, I'll show you a workaround. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's just first open up the App Store here on your iPhone, and we'll get into your payment methods just by tapping on your profile icon at the top right. Now, once we're in here, you can see at the very top is my name and email address. It's hidden, but you just need to tap on your name at the very top here. After you've tapped on your name, you can see it pops up with the account settings. It might use your Face ID to authenticate. Now, to remove that payment method from the App Store, all we need to do is hit Manage Payments. And now from here, you can see I have a credit card on file. I just need to tap on it. And if I wanted to remove it, I can hit Remove at the bottom and remove. However, you'll say it says unable to remove. There's an active subscription on this account that requires this payment method. Now, you have two different options to be able to remove it. The first option is you can always add a different credit card or debit card, and then you can remove the original one. So just hit the Add Payment Method here. And then just enter in a credit card, debit card. You can see Visa, MasterCard, Discover, American Express, or you can also switch over to PayPal as well and just link up a PayPal account. After you've done that, after you added a second account, you can always just go into the first one and delete it. Your second option is just to cancel the subscriptions while you delete the payment method. So to do that, let's just go back here. And then you'll see under Manage Payment is Subscriptions. So just tap on where it says Subscriptions, and it'll show you your current active subscriptions. You can see mine is just Apple One here. All I need to do is tap on it and hit Cancel Service, and I can hit Cancel. Keep in mind, this will cancel any active subscription. You will get to use it until the next billing cycle, but essentially all you need to do after you canceled it is just to go back, go to Manage Payments, and then just go in and delete that. And you can always turn around and enable another subscription if you wanted to down the road, if you wanted to add a new card. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.